Welcome back to Product Critique, where we take an in-depth look at gadgets and accessories to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the blue Snowman outdoor TV cover from rocking Giraffee, designed specifically for 30 to 32-inch TVs. If you've got a patio, balcony, or backyard setup, you know how challenging it can be to protect your outdoor television from the elements. This cover promises waterproof and weatherproof protection while also adding a festive touch to your outdoor space. Measuring 30 inches wide, 19 inches high, and 4.5 inches deep, this cover fits most standard TVs within that size range. The first thing you'll notice is its construction. Made from durable 600D Oxford fabric with a PVC coating inside. It's built to withstand rain, snow, wind, and dust, keeping your screen clean and safe. The material is long-lasting and reinforced with double-stitched seams, so you're getting both strength and durability in a lightweight package. Despite being tough on the outside, the interior is soft and smooth, ensuring your TV screen won't get scratched during use. Installation is straightforward. The cover features slits on both sides and in the back, so it can easily accommodate wall mount arms. Additionally, hook and loop closures at the back and bottom ensure a snug fit around your TV, completely enclosing it against wind or sudden weather changes. One standout feature is the two remote pockets, one on each side, designed to hold your TV or streaming device remotes. This is a thoughtful touch, keeping everything you need close at hand while protecting the remotes themselves from moisture or dirt. The cover's design is fun and seasonal. The blue and white snowman theme adds a whimsical, decorative element to your outdoor area, making it not just a protective cover but also a stylish accessory for the winter months. And if you're someone who likes to switch up your decor with the seasons, you could easily have multiple covers for different holidays or occasions. In terms of portability, the cover is lightweight at just over 11 ounces, so removing it or storing it when not in use is hassle-free. And for care, it's machine washable, making maintenance easy. While the cover isn't airtight, it is breathable, preventing moisture buildup that could harm your TV over time. Overall, the blue Snowman outdoor TV cover combines practical protection with seasonal flair. It's durable, easy to install, thoughtfully designed with remote pockets, and perfect for anyone looking to keep their outdoor television safe from the elements while adding a touch of festive charm. If you have a smaller TV that fits the 30 to 32-inch range, this could be a perfect addition to your outdoor setup. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more detailed product breakdowns, and leave a comment letting us know what outdoor gadgets you want us to review next.